All right. This looks a little bit different than our regular garage setting because on this week's episode,
we are going off-roading with our white 4-cylinder TJ.
we're about to test out all the products you've been watching us install on this baby and show you how it goes on the trail.
We're actually excited as well to test out the Skyjacker suspension as well as these Canadi tires and Rock Tricks rims. These are the reservoir shocks. And you know, to get to this point in the trail, we've already had to drive over some terrain, and so far, so good. We are so excited to show you guys exactly what we think by the end of this trip.
Now, there's obviously some safety when you're going off-roading, so we'll show you some of the things we always take with us when we go off-roading. Roll the clips.
Roll the clips.
Safety first, only do what you feel comfortable with, and we are ready to get the show on the road.
And never go alone, so don't do what we're doing.
But you have me.
Let's do it, guys.
After installing both a lift kit and the Canadi tires, we wanted to do a shakedown run to make sure that everything was installed properly and really just give the Jeep an opportunity to settle in with those new parts.
Now, the very first time you take your Jeep out after building it, you don't want to do anything crazy, especially if you are by yourself. Make sure you air down your tires and take it low and slow. Your job here is to listen for any issues, to feel for anything out of the ordinary before you take it out for good.
It's absolutely insane to look at how far this build has come. Let's look at where it came from.
I mean, just look at those fenders, look at those tires and rims. Unbelievable.
Make sure to check out our Amazon shop for all our recovery gear anytime you off-road. Now let's play some clips so you can see how the Jeep holds up.
The Southern California mountain ranges are so beautiful this time of year, more green than usual. It was an absolute pleasure to take this Jeep to these beautiful mountains.
Just squeezing in a stick shift lesson on the roads.
So this is our first time ever using reservoir shocks, and let me tell you, they held up amazingly. The ride was incredibly smooth. I don't know if it was the shocks alone or the combination with the Canadi tires, but as a shakedown run, we are thoroughly impressed. So if you missed the install, this is a 4-cylinder 2003 Wrangler. These are 33-inch tires and it is a 5-speed manual. We have not re-geared it. The stock gear ratio is 4.10 and everything felt just right. 4-low felt good, everything felt good.
We were between the mud terrain and rugged terrain Canati tires, and ultimately we decided to go with the rugged terrain, both for its street performance along with off-road.
We built this Jeep from the ground up. Everything you see on the Jeep, the fenders, the front bumper, the Garvin Adventure Rack, the suspension, the lighting, we've built all of it from the ground up. So make sure to go back and check out all of those episodes. They are all individually labeled in our YouTube channel.
All in all, we were thoroughly impressed with all the parts we've installed on the TJ so far, but we are not finished yet. We still have a couple surprises up our sleeve, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for next Sunday. Make sure to check us out on Instagram and TikTok, and we'll catch you on the next one.